Welcome back to Edgeverse, where we explore mind-bending connections between ancient wisdom and modern science. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating topic that bridges millennia of thought and cutting-edge scientific discovery. Imagine a 3,000-year-old Chinese text, the I Ching, filled with broken and unbroken lines, echoing the profound mysteries of quantum physics. This ancient system, often seen as a tool for divination, holds surprising parallels to some of the most complex concepts in modern science. We're not suggesting ancient sages built particle colliders, but what if their symbolic system maps the same reality modern scientists are unraveling with mathematics? This isn't about proving ancient technology, but rather exploring a potential convergence of understanding across vast stretches of time and culture. The I Ching is built on pure duality: Yang, the solid line, representing active and bright energy, and Yin, the broken line, symbolizing receptive and dark energy. This fundamental binary structure is key to understanding its deeper connections. Stacking these lines creates 64 hexagrams, each 6 lines long, which is 2 to the power of 6, a direct parallel to binary code. This mathematical elegance hints at a sophisticated underlying system, far beyond simple fortune-telling. In the 1600s, Gottfried Leibniz, co-inventor of calculus, discovered the I Ching's hexagrams perfectly matched his binary system when Yang was 1 and Yin was 0. This remarkable discovery highlighted a universal language embedded within both ancient philosophy and nascent computer science. This ancient setup is a precursor to information theory, and quantum computers operate on qubits, which are built upon this exact binary foundation. The I Ching structure, therefore, provides an unexpected historical link to the very core of quantum computing. Here's where it gets even more intriguing. Some I Ching lines are changing, meaning they are both Yang and Yin simultaneously, holding potential until resolved. This concept introduces a dynamic element to the system, suggesting a state of flux and possibility. Philosophically, this mirrors quantum superposition, where a qubit is both 0 and 1 until measured, collapsing into a single state. The I Ching's changing lines offer an ancient analog to this fundamental quantum phenomenon, where potential exists in multiple forms. When you ask a focused question and cast the oracle, it's like setting up a measurement that pulls one hexagram from 64 possibilities. This act of inquiry and casting transforms a state of potential into a specific outcome, much like a quantum measurement. Before the cast, every hexagram is possible, a superposition of potential, and the toss collapses this into one specific outcome. This process highlights the role of observation and interaction in shaping reality, both in the I Ching and in quantum mechanics. Werner Heisenberg's uncertainty principle suggests measuring one thing fuzzes another. And in quantum mechanics, the observer isn't passive, they co-create the result. This active role of the observer is a profound concept that resonates with the I Ching's interactive nature. Similarly, with the I Ching, your question entangles mind and moment, generating an answer rather than predicting it. This entanglement suggests a deep connection between our consciousness and the unfolding of events, moving beyond simple cause and effect. This isn't fortune-telling, it's probing the present moment, guided by probability. The I Ching offers a framework for understanding the dynamics of change and potential, rather than a deterministic prediction of the future. Einstein famously called quantum entanglement spooky action at a distance, where particles are linked and measuring one instantly affects the other, regardless of separation. This concept of non-local connection is one of the most mind-bending aspects of quantum physics. Carl Jung, who used the I Ching for decades, coined synchronicity for acausal coincidences where inner and outer worlds align perfectly. Jung's experience with the I Ching led him to explore these meaningful connections that defy conventional explanation. What if the I Ching taps into a unified field where consciousness and cosmos are entangled, with hexagrams acting as basis states in this field? This intriguing possibility suggests a deeper, interconnected reality that both ancient wisdom and modern science are beginning to explore. Both Jung and quantum physics suggest reality is a holistic, interconnected web, not a collection of separate parts. This perspective challenges our traditional understanding of a fragmented universe, pointing towards a more unified existence. Skeptics might argue this is apophenia, projecting modern ideas onto ancient symbols. But what if it's a convergence, both describing the same universe? This question invites us to consider the possibility of shared truths discovered through different methodologies. Quantum physics approaches reality from the outside in with math and experiments, while the I Ching offers an inside-out perspective through intuition and archetypes. These two approaches, though seemingly disparate, may ultimately lead to a more complete understanding of reality. The I Ching's binary structure, probabilistic core, and synchronous nature profoundly echo our cutting-edge science. These parallels are too striking to ignore, suggesting a deeper resonance between ancient wisdom and modern discovery. Ancient wisdom and modern discovery aren't enemies. They are complements, like yin and yang, offering a fuller reality where we are co-creators in a probabilistic, entangled cosmos. This harmonious view encourages us to embrace both perspectives for a richer understanding. What do you think? Is this deep convergence or clever coincidence? Share your thoughts and experiences with the I Ching below. Your insights contribute to this ongoing dialogue between ancient philosophy and contemporary science.